Hello all, welcome back to the channel. Today we are solving the 12th problem of a driver sheet, which is wrong subtraction. Let's see what is the problem. Here in the problem, a little girl is there. She wants to reduce the number. If the last digit of the number is non-zero, she will subtract 1 from it. If the last digit of number is 0, then she will divide the number by 10. Now, she will be dividing literally the whole number by 10. Whole integer which is been given by question to us. Now here are two inputs, n, the integer given to us, and the k means the number of times we will subtract or we will reduce the integer n. Now let's see the first test case. In first test case there is 512. 512 in here the last digit or the LSB is non-zero, so we will reduce it by 1. Again it will be 511, then again we will reduce it by 1, then it will change to 510. Now when it changes to 510, the last digit, the LSB is now 0, so here we need to divide it by 10, because the second case is if the LSB is equal to 0, then we should divide it by 10. So after dividing it by 10, it turns to 51, and here it is non-zero, then we will subtract 1 from it, finally we get 50. So we performed here, we reduce it 4 times, here the value of k is done. Now let's try to write the code. Here I have already written code for you. In the here I have taken both the inputs k and n, and I iterated through the k number of times I need to reduce the integer n, and if n% 10 equal to is not equal to 0, it means when there is non-zero element at LSB, then dividing it by 10 will cause will cause a remainder. In that case, if the remainder is non-zero, then we will subtract it by 1. So here integer n is subtracted by 1, as so here n equal to n minus 1. And now in this, if it is 0, if n% 10 equal to 0 means the LSB is 0, so here we will divide that integer by 10. Similarly it will go up to 1, because we are not including 0 here. Now lastly we'll print the result, and our result is also successfully coming out to 50. Now let's try to submit it. So you have submitted exactly this. Okay, I have already submitted the code. Let's view the other test cases. Here in the second test case we have 9 zeros here, means from MSB we see 1 0, then we will divide it by 10, again we will divide it by 10, again we will divide it by 10, up to here 9 times we will divide it by 10 until it becomes 1, until it reaches to MSB. Then we will print the remaining number, which is 1. Here the MSB is 3, we will subtract 1 from it 3 times, then 11 minus 3, 8 is left. Then here 0 0 will be there, 2 zeros will be there, then we will divide it by 10 2 times, then again 6 will be left, k value will be 6, and then here we will subtract minus 1 2 times, then 6 plus 2 8. Now again we will, again here 1 0 will be left, then we'll divide by 10. Now again it turns to 6 minus 2 4, and here 3 plus 1 4. So finally 12 will be remaining. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing. Until then, enjoy competitive coding.